my favorite people. So today you're going to watch my summer 2019 living room home decor. This will actually be the year that I've challenged myself to change up, switcheroo of our living room according to the seasons. Our living room has always looked the same for the 3 years that we've lived here, but this summer I was like, you know what, we need something different, we need something fresh. So what you're gonna see today is what I decided to do in our living room. Hello and welcome to our summer 2019 living room home decor video. So let's start off right over here. Here's our fur baby Zoe, and this is actually her dog bed, and she's looking for treats because we put her treats on this bed. She loves to eat her treats on a soft surface, so she always likes to go on our rug, but I try to encourage her to keep it on her bed, and so far she's been doing really good with that. She is 11 years old, so she is an oldie but a goodie, and I love her so much. Hi, honey. She's like, no, not today, Mom. I love this section. This is probably my favorite part of our living room, and I especially love it in the wintertime because the heater's right there, and I'm always cold in the wintertime for some reason in this house. So I will just lay here, snuggle up right next to that heater, and conveniently my blanket basket is right there, so I always steal a blanket from in there and just like cozy on up. This Chaise lounge is actually an Ashley Furniture Chaise lounge. However, I found it on Facebook for like $200, and I had to have it, like, not even, I think it was like $150, and it was honestly the best purchase that we have ever gotten. I love it so much, and you can comfortably fit 3 people sitting on the side, so that's really good. This gorgeous arch lamp or sunflower lamp is actually from Home Goods. That was surprisingly more expensive than the Chaise lounge itself, but when I saw it, I knew it had to be mine. It was just perfect. It has a solid marble base, and I love it. I honestly use this lamp all the time. We have no lighting on our ceiling, so we definitely do depend on this lamp and that lamp over there. And that one, we do have it connected to our Alexa. I have to whisper it because if not, she'll activate, but she's a good one. I got all of our pink pillows in our living room from Burlington, and then that white one I believe is from Walmart, and it's normally out in the winter time, so I decided to keep it out in the summertime as well. This little throw blanket is from IKEA. I have 2 of these, one here at the foot of the sectional, and then the other one in that basket. This couch is actually from Bob's Furniture. That blanket is also from Walmart. The pillows, the pink ones, are also from Burlington. Those pillows are actually from H&M, Les Bistro ones, and I love them so much. I couldn't believe that H&M had a home line, and I actually purchased those pillows maybe like 6 years ago, so you probably won't find them anymore, but they are perfect. I've washed them a ton of times, and they are absolutely amazing. The beige pillows did come with the couch. I love having a ton of pillows on our couch because when we have a lot of visitors, They tend to just go everywhere all over the living room, and I think that's so much fun. Plus, since we keep a ton of blankets in there, people will just grab a pillow, grab a blanket, and lay on the floor, on the couch, just about everywhere. These 3 paintings or portraits, I actually got inspired from Mr. Kate. I saw in one of her videos, so I decided to do it as well, and I did it in gold. This rug is actually from Amazon. It was actually like $90. Our coffee table, I purchased this at IKEA. The best thing about this coffee table is because it's clear, it makes the space look so much bigger and it takes up less space. Like you can see right through it, and I love that about that. So this centerpiece here, I recently made a tutorial. If you guys are interested in seeing that, definitely go check it out. It was like the easiest tutorial and I absolutely love them. And then of course these coasters, I picked these up from HomeGoods. They are marble coasters with like a gold leaf rim. Our flower vase, I did pick this up at HomeGoods, and I added in those pink flowers, and I do switch them out according to the different seasons. I have this beautiful settee or bench, and I actually got this at Target. I have 2 of these. I have one that does not open, and that is in our bedroom, and then this one has storage in there for all the video games my husband loves to play. So that's filled with like PlayStation video games, Wii video games, things like that. That mirror that's right there, we actually picked that up from Target, and I've had it for about 5 years. It has moved from room to room, and honestly I think that's the perfect spot for it. I really do love it. That room right there is actually our playroom. If you guys are interested in seeing a tour of that room, let us know. It's super cute. I designed it especially for my nephews who love to come over, so we decided to make their own room. This beautiful lamp that I picked up at HomeGoods, and then this basket is filled with shoes, sandals, flip-flops, anything that we need to grab if we're heading out the door really quick. And then I also put this lamp on top of like that clear box just to give it some height, and it's perfect. The last corner in our living room is where our mantle or our fireplace is. Ignore the cords. My husband still has to put them within the wall. We actually recently mounted this TV, and we've lived in this house for 3 years. So we thought it was about time to mount it. We did already start decorating for fall. So I got this gorgeous fall banner from the Target dollar spot. It was only $3 and it's in amazing quality. It's made out of wood. This box is actually a box of pens. You will see in an upcoming tutorial on how to make that along with succulent pens. And the box that is holding these gorgeous flowers in, I also got at the Target dollar spot. Over here we have several frames of my loved ones. So we have my cousins and my uncle, our nephews, and my hubby and I. On either side of our living room, we have frames with our family. So this is my side of the family. I have this gorgeous wrought iron piece that I purchased from Kirkland's, and it was originally brown and we decided to paint it white. And then over here is my husband's side of the family. I'm so excited to share with you guys the fall living room because I'm gonna be doing something very different. I'm a little nervous to see if it's gonna come out cute, but in the meantime, I love how our living room came out. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm currently editing the living room decor video and I completely forgot to film an outro. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what was your favorite part of the living room tour. Can't wait to see you guys for my fall living room decor, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.